5 seriously injured in Highway 2000 crash.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
5 people received serious injuries in a motor vehicle crash along Highway 2000. Head of Operations for the St. Catherine North Police Division, Deputy Superintendent Linra Edwards, said the victims were transported to the Spanish Town Hospital for treatment. About 12:40 p.m., a Toyota Coaster bus and a Nissan Tida were in the eastbound lane when the crash happened near the Spanish Town exit in the vicinity of the Marchpen Bridge. Edwards said the driver of the Tida was reportedly reversing when the bus heading towards Kingston crashed in the rear of the car. He is appealing to motorists to desist from reversing on the highways. It is not safe. We understand that the bumper fell off the Tida, and all he had to do was pull over to the left, walk and retrieve it. It was a matter of being irresponsible and reckless on the part of the Tida driver, he said. About 30 people were aboard the bus. Up to Tuesday, there were 24 fatalities from road crashes across the island.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!